We all know about the dark web and how dangerous it can be, but don't be surprised if your personal details like your name, phone number, email address, and even credit and debit card details wind up there one day. Well, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh, and in this video, I'll be telling you about a new data breach that has enabled hackers on the dark web to have millions and millions of credit card details and also personal details of people from across the world. Now, according to reports, there are over 100 million credit and debit card details and other sensitive information, and all of these have been leaked on the dark web. The data includes full names, phone numbers and email addresses of the cardholders along with the first and the last 4 digits of their cards as well. It appears to have been associated with payments platform JustPay that also processes transactions for Indian and global merchants including Amazon, MakeMyTrip and Swiggy among many others. Now, the details that are available on the JustPay site show that this has a team of over 150 people and reaches around 50 million users on a daily basis. Its products are also claimed to process over 4 million monthly daily transactions, and also its system development kits, that is SDKs, are also available on over 100 million devices across the world. Companies like Amazon, Airtel, Flipkart, Vodafone India, Swiggy and Uber are its key clients which enable payments for their customers as well. So that goes on to show that millions of people around the country use these platforms, and in case the reports are indeed true, this might really be a dangerous breach which is risking personal information of millions around the country at risk as well. Now, talking about JustPay, now JustPay holds payment card industry data security standard that is PCI DSS compliance level 1. Now, what does this mean? This means that this is the highest level of compliance given by the PCI Security Standards Council to any payment merchants, and JustPay, which has now been allegedly breached, has it as well. And speaking about the person who brought it to limelight, cyber security researcher Rajsekhar Ajaria, who's the person who's discovered this particular data dump and brought it to limelight, and also went ahead and alleged that despite being masked, these credit card numbers could be decrypted if a hacker would figure out the algorithm that have been used for the card fingerprints as well. Now, we hear a lot about cyber crimes across the world and how information of private and personal information of a lot of people has been leaked on the dark web, but this is particularly dangerous given the fact that we've seen a continuous proliferation in the cyber crimes in the world as well as of now, and also especially the phishing attacks that happen. So what the hackers need is your card number, your phone number or email ID, and using the permutation combination of all of these, they can in fact go ahead and somehow try to get the OTP number from you, and once they have it, they have access to your complete account, and that means that all of your hard-earned money could be siphoned out. So what does this particular data breach mean? Well, to speak to us about this and explain what exactly this means for customers, I have with me Rex Anthony, who's the CEO of Rex Cyber Solutions. First of all, first question of course to you would be, Rex, what does this particular breach mean for the customers? How dangerous is it, and how can hackers in fact go ahead and access the information of clients using this data?
They have the dump of data which is containing your phone number, your email address, your name and first and last 4 digits of your card details. So this is where the tricky things come. What they can do with this, they can target an individual because they have the mobile numbers as well as the email ID. They can make the spear phishing attacks. They can try to give you the malwares and whatever it is. So you may question that this could be happen anywhere, but what makes it more curious, the card details which is shown, which is the last 4 digits and first 4 digits, that they can utilize to send you the email or an SMS which is showing that, which will prompt you to click the link or the images, whatever they're saying. So you have to be very conscious on that. The attackers can send anything to you to get into yours.
And of course, my next question would be on the lines of how customers who suspect that their data could also have been hacked as part of this particular breach, how can they protect themselves? But how can these customers make sure that their money is safe as of now?
What you have to do now, so you know it, you already your data are exposed. So particularly your credit card. So one thing you have to do, first reset your passwords and keep it safe, and second, give limits for your online transactions per day. You can set limits even if it's your credit card You can set limits, and if possible, try to give the two-factor authentication for every transaction which is happening. This is the ultimate thing you have to do always, not only for this, for always.
Well, thanks a lot, Rex, for joining us and explaining all of these information. That was Rex Anthony, cybersecurity researcher, clearly going ahead and explaining to us the perks of having credit cards and debit cards being used, but also at the same time the risks that are associated with it. Do let us know what you guys think in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to TV9 Digital. Thanks a lot for watching.